In this video, I will show you how to change language in Steam for specific games. Open Steam and then click on Library. Then Home. On the left side you will get all install games. Click on your desired game. Then click on Settings icon. Then click on Properties. Then under General you will find Language. There select your desired language. Then close this pop-up window and open the game to play. You can see language has been changed successfully for that particular games. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.